Have you ever tried to use AI and felt disappointed? You're not alone. Many beginners make the same mistakes that hinder their success. But don't worry, today we're unearthing the top 10 mistakes and how you can fix them. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to maximize the potential of AI. Let's dive into the first mistake, using vague prompts. A common error is typing, "Write me a blog post about AI." The output? Generic and unhelpful. AI works best when given clear instructions. Instead, try something specific, like, write a 1,000-word blog post highlighting 5 ways small business owners can use Claude AI to save time. Next, we have the mistake of publishing AI-generated content without editing. AI produces solid first drafts, but they often lack a personal touch. Take 10-15 minutes to read through and adjust it. Add your voice and correct any errors. This transforms generic content into something valuable. Mistake number 3, relying on one AI tool for everything. Using only ChatGPT limits your creativity and results. Combine tools. Use Gemini for research, Claude for writing, and ChatGPT to automate tasks. This tool triad enhances productivity effectively. Mistake number 4 is about giving up too soon. Many begin a process and quit after little progress. Understand that building online income is a marathon, not a sprint. Commit to at least 90 days before judging your successes. The 5th mistake is attempting to build multiple income streams simultaneously. Launching a YouTube channel, a digital store, and freelancing all at once scatters your efforts. Instead, focus on one avenue for 60 days, master it, and then expand. Mistake 6 involves not learning to prompt AI effectively. Great results depend on how well you communicate with AI. Invest 1 hour this week in learning prompt techniques to save time later. 7th, many beginners ignore fundamental business principles. AI is a tool, not a solution. You must know your audience and provide real value. Ask yourself, who are you helping? What problem does your content solve? Mistake 8 is spending the first earnings instead of reinvesting them. Use your income to improve your tools. Reinforce your efforts. Invest at least 50% of early earnings into your business. 9th, creating content based on personal interests rather than audience needs leads to failure. Always focus on what your audience seeks. Research trending topics and produce content that resonates with people. The final, biggest mistake of all, not starting. Many learners hold back instead of taking action. Take that step today. Open Claude and create something, no matter how imperfect. Let's recap these 10 mistakes and their fixes. Be specific in prompts. Always edit AI-generated content. Use multiple AI tools. Commit to 90 days. Focus on one income stream. Master prompt techniques. Know your audience. Reinvest income. Create for your audience. And most importantly, just start. Which of these mistakes resonate with you? Comment below. I read and respond to all of them to help you improve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach others making these mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. Tomorrow, we'll explore an exciting AI income opportunity for 2026. You won't want to miss it.